Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 501 and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Let's try that again. There we go, like so. And then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Next, in here we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which is on the first page for me, right over here. Once you see yours, you want to hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. So I do urge you to go through these options and just see what they are and change them to fit your needs. I'm gonna point out one option right here, which is pretty handy, which is the duration for quick settings. You can choose what happens when you enable the mode. So by default, it is set to be on till you turn it off, so if you forget about it, it's just gonna run indefinitely in the background. But you do have the option to select it on a timer, so whenever you tap on a toggle, it will enable itself for the specified amount of hours, so I'm gonna make it something like 4 hours. Or you can select it to show you these two options every time you tap on the toggle, which I personally don't like. So once everything is set, find the toggle, press on it, and with the timer it does actually tell you till what time it's going to, or at what time it's gonna turn off automatically, but obviously you can do that yourself before the timer runs out by tapping on the toggle once again. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.